Hi, I'm Josh Hicks for Indiana Court Times, the state's publication for judicial communications. With us today is Bob Raths, Chief Innovation Officer of the Innovation Initiative, to talk with us about the importance of innovation in the judicial system. And Lawrence Township Small Claims Court Judge Kimberly Bacon to talk about video legal services. Bob, as the Supreme Court's Chief Innovation Officer, can you sum up why pushing for innovation in the judicial branch is important and who innovative efforts affect?
Well, thanks, Josh. Many people can benefit from innovations in the judicial branch. If cases can be resolved more quickly, for example, that helps everybody involved, the parties, the attorneys, and the courts. Some cases are less complicated than others. Matching the complexity of the case to the complexity of the process works with rules tailored to small claims and commercial courts. Can it work in other scenarios as well? Technology can help also. Online dispute resolution is a way for parties to negotiate specific issues or their entire case outside of court. And virtual court hearings were an early suggestion of the technology working group that overnight became a standard for courts during the COVID-19 pandemic. And keeping courts open benefits everybody in Indiana, whether they have a case pending or not. Many more ideas are in the works, so stay tuned.
Judge Bacon, your virtual courtroom video legal services pilot program was pre-pandemic. What did you learn from the pilot and how did it help you when COVID arose?
Well, thank you, Josh. One of the things that we decided when we were initiating the pilot was how to bring access to justice and accessibility of the court and court services to litigants. And so that was what kind of launched the idea. And then once COVID hit, it became increasingly important because it was necessary for us to be able to get our courtrooms up and going and then provide a safe space for litigants to be able to have their day in court. So we created the Zoom rooms, which provided the safe environment, clean environment for people to be able to come in and still appear by video. Okay.
So Judge Bacon, my second question for you is, can you tell us who these legal video services affect? Kind of help us put a face to these hearings.
So in putting a face to these hearings, this is important for people to understand is that we are providing access to justice by video so that a person doesn't have to miss a day's worth of work. They don't have to rush home to try and meet the school bus that's delivering their child after a full day of school. And we're also making sure that everyone feels like their time is respected and efficiently used by being able to appear by video rather than having to sit 2 to 4 hours in a court session waiting to be called for a 15-minute hearing.
So Judge Bacon, what has the clinic taught you as a judge?
So the pilot has actually taught me that the legal community and the judiciary are able to create access to justice by providing these services through the Heartland Pro Bono Council, other legal services organizations and aid organizations, and with pro bono attorneys that may need to just complete their hours of service. And so having those groups all brought together under this clinic has actually provided more access to justice.
That's great. Thank you so much, Bob and Judge Bacon, for joining me today for this issue of Court Times. Be sure to check out the full issue in the description below and find more interviews on our channel at the end of this video. Thanks.
Thanks, Josh.
Thank you.